Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. In this session, we focus on Rule 8 of the COLREGs, which provides the specific instructions on how a vessel must act once a risk of collision has been identified. This rule is all about ensuring that maneuvers are clear, effective, and made in a timely manner to prevent a dangerous situation from escalating. The rule mandates that any action taken to avoid collision shall be taken in accordance with the rules of this part and shall, if the circumstances of the case admit, be positive, made in ample time, and with due regard to the observance of good seamanship. This means your actions should not be hesitant or last minute. Any alteration of course or speed to avoid collision shall, if the circumstances of the case admit, be large enough to be readily apparent to another vessel observing visually or by radar. You should avoid a series of small alterations of course or speed, because these are often confusing to the other mariner and may not be detected quickly enough. A large and obvious change in course is usually the most effective way to show the other vessel that you have seen them and are taking the required action. If there is sufficient sea room, alteration of course alone may be the most effective action to avoid a close quarters situation, provided that it is made in good time, is substantial, and does not result in another close quarters situation. The rule also emphasizes that action taken to avoid collision with another vessel shall be such as to result in passing at a safe distance. You must continue to monitor the effectiveness of your action until the other vessel is finally passed and clear. This is important because a single maneuver might not be enough if the other vessel also changes its course or speed. If necessary to avoid collision or allow more time to assess the situation, a vessel shall slacken her speed or take all way off by stopping or reversing her means of propulsion. This reminds us that slowing down or stopping is a valid and often necessary tool in the navigator's kit. Furthermore, Rule 8 specifies that a vessel which by any of these rules is required not to impede the passage or safe passage of another vessel shall, when required by the circumstances of the case, take early action to allow sufficient sea room for the safe passage of the other vessel. Such a vessel is not relieved of this obligation if she is approaching the other vessel so as to involve risk of collision, and shall, when taking action, have full regard to the action which may be required by the rules of this part. Conversely, the vessel whose passage is not to be impeded remains fully obliged to comply with the rules when the two vessels are approaching one another so as to involve risk of collision. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.